Good morning, my dear friends. This is Dr. Priyanjan Trivedi speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyanjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Today is 25th April, so let's know the importance and significance of 25th April. First reason why we observe this day today is that today is the World Malaria Day. It's a very important day. Malaria is a deadly disease. There was a time when nobody used to save their lives because high fever and you are vomiting, and for days you become very weak, and then you don't survive. Why it happens? Because of a particular mosquito which bites the men and women, and then those who are affected, they become sick and indisposed. So, in order to control this, 100 years ago, many medicines got started. But finally, there was no treatment. For 50 years ago, finally, appropriate medicines were located. Now it is quite possible to cure anybody within 3, 4 days, 5 days, 10 days. So, there's a mass awareness required, and World Health Organization is working day and night to see that malaria is fully eradicated. But even then, there are millions of cases every year, and many of them die also. Today is the day to make everybody aware. You must get rid of mosquitoes. Don't, make your area dirtier. At the same time, whenever you find that there are some mosquitoes, try to use mosquito net or mosquito repellent. Otherwise, not only the mosquito will cause you to have malaria, but you can have any other disease also. There are more than 1 dozen diseases which are there because of the bite of mosquitoes. So please be aware, and this is there to make everybody aware regarding self-protection against malaria. Friends, there are other reasons today also why we observe this day today. So today is the International Girls in Telecommunication and Information Technology Day. This is a day, a symbolic day to also remind everybody that not only boys but girls also can participate in the area of information technology and telecommunication technology. It's a very important day, and we must promote and encourage the girls to participate. It has been also found that girls are equally useful, rather sometimes they are more useful because they have more concentration power. Boys may have some other work outside, but girls generally, once they are in office, they concentrate on this. Even if both are equal, it is our duty to see that equality among men and women are maintained, and that is why this is a day to also ensure that in telecom also girls participate equally, which is very important. Then there is also a third reason why we observe this day today. Today is the hairstyle appreciation day. Many people like to have a peculiar hairstyle. I also have a peculiar hairstyle. If you see my photo of younger days, you will understand. So it's very important. There are thousands of ways of keeping the hair in a good form. So certainly, this is a good way of being in fashion, remaining in fashion, and we must promote this. Those who believe in hairstyling, they must do it without spending much time and much of money. So these are the 3 reasons why we observe this day today, and tomorrow we'll have the other reasons why we observe tomorrow. Till then, we thank you very much for your time, and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.